As I alluded to in the previous article, our security problem in Africa comes from us, humans, not from animals, not from plants, but from us. We are the primary source of our own problems. So, we must effectively address this issue. The insecurity problem is also an offshoot of a deeper underlying issue, meaning there are multiple aspects to deal with. First, our basic needs must be addressed. We need to solve our food and water problems. This will prevent the youths from engaging in harmful activities that could jeopardize their future. Many hungry youths today are involved in armed robbery, kidnapping, social violence, and human trafficking. If we solve the food problem, security will be half solved. Second, we must manage our differences. Our differences are a lot, but they can be managed and even become our strengths. Differences such as ethnicity, tribe, religion, language, culture, tradition, political and social classes are critical sources of division and insecurity if left unaddressed. These were the tools used by foreigners to divide us, and they are still using to create insecurity and chaos among us. We must not allow this to continue. Addressing our differences helps us determine who should live together and who should live separately. Many of us do not understand that living separately in harmony is far better than living together in chaos. The current system imposed by colonial agents in Africa is unsustainable and fosters insecurity. They mixed us together like cats and rats, and our leaders have yet to recognize that this is not working. People who are not meant to live together have been forced into the same space. How can you put different natures, like pigs, dogs, cats, and rats, together and expect harmony? People of the same tribe have been divided into different countries, while people of different tribes have been placed in the same countries. How can that work? We must create a sustainable security system by separating people with contrasting ideologies and ancestral roots. Some people are not meant to live together, yet they have been forced to do so. This separation must take place. Our leaders must wake up to the fact that the current boundary system, created by the colonial elements, is not sustainable and must be rejected. Our security must be homegrown. It must be designed by us, for us, we must build communities where people understand, trust, and protect one another, people who share the same language, values, and ideology. This is the concept of community security. Solving our security problem must start at the grassroots level. It must begin with living among people we are comfortable with. This does not mean we should live only with our family members or people of our culture, tribe, or language, but we must live among those who share our values and ideology. It is stressful to constantly struggle with security when you know there are unscrupulous elements who thrive on insecurity and attacking others. These elements take pleasure in causing harm and chaos to others. For such people, the only solution is to protect ourselves from them. In some cases, a more forceful security approach may be necessary. We will discuss that later. It is important to understand that security is not just about hiring security personnel or building a strong security infrastructure. It is about forming a formidable force with people who understand and trust each other and who can live together in peace and harmony. To be continued. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support.ps. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Next, 10 powerful areas of our strength as Africans read previous episodes. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5, Part 6, Part 7, Part 8, Part 9, Part 10, Part 11, Part 12, Part 13, Part 14. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookminds247@gmail.com.get. Books on Amazon, Amazon Books. Check out our website. Wordflix X Publishers. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgodgmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Move Africa. 2. Making 2025 your best year yet. 3. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L14. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 5. What to do when you are confused? Kindly drop your comments here. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.